Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different type of bag to review for you. Before I start, I just want to do a quick introduction for those who aren't familiar with my channel. My name is Sasha. I don't usually say that, but I will today. I have 5 children, ages 14, 8, 7, 5, and 2.5. So on my channel, I do a lot of packing videos for bags. I do some vlogging, stories, things like that, but mainly I like to review different products, especially bags and things that parents tend to use on a daily basis. Actually reviewing a bag that is from a company that is fairly new called Mukko Co. It's a small family business that was looking for bags out on the market that were lifestyle convertible bags that you could wear as a tote or as a backpack. And when looking at the market in this particular style bag, there weren't many available that had a lot of pockets on the outside. Hence, they designed their own bag, and I reached out to the company when they were first opened and I offered to do a review for them, and they were so kind to send me a bag over to Australia, and I'm so grateful for that. But of course, you guys know I do very honest reviews, so I am going to do the same for this bag. Now, I did receive it yesterday. I played around with it. I took some pictures, put it up on my Instagram, and I took it out today with my 2.5-year-old daughter, and we went to the Japanese gardens that's fairly nearby, and went to the park. So I wore it backpack style. I didn't wear it over the shoulder because it only comes with one strap, but I did wear it backpack style, and I did wear it over the crook of my arm. So I'm going to show it to you now. They sent it to me in the black, with gold hardware, which is so classic. I didn't know which color I was getting, so it was very much a surprise, and I liked that a lot. And I really am happy they sent me this because I have a lot of brown bags. I'm very much a brown bag person. But this is such a classic looking, classy bag. And I really like the look of this design. And with the black and the gold, let me see if I can show you here. It is just such nice quality. So this is a vegan leather bag. It is quite a large lifestyle convertible bag. But I think it's fantastic because it can be used for so many different purposes. So a lot of people so far have been using it for work, for travel, for university, for school. So I decided to kind of give it a go as a diaper bag or nappy bag, and I did pack it up, as I said, for my daughter and myself to go out and about outside in the daylight, walked around. So here are my first impressions on their bag. This is a lovely vegan leather. It does have beautiful hardware. I really do like this big grab handle. I think it's fantastic because when you need to pick up a bag, it's really frustrating when you have little tiny handles, and to have big ones they come up here and then they kind of flatten out here. And I think that's great because it really allows you to grab it really well. I prefer this to a rolled handle, to be honest. And then they've got the thicker material that goes down into the bag, and it is double stitched here. So I think that's really a nice kind of quality detail that they put on here. It has a lot of outside pockets, and that was the aim of this design, and I think they nailed it when they did this. It does have feet on the bottom, 5 feet. I love the 5 feet thing that a lot of companies are doing now, because it does mean that I just plop this down on the dirt, on the gravel, on grass, on everything today, and it didn't worry me about my bag getting dirty or ruined because of those feet. It was really good. It is a convertible bag, so there is the option to wear it backpack style, and that's how I wear my bags if it's convertible, because I have a toddler, so I need to be able to go after her if I need to. She doesn't run off very much, but I do need that option. Plus, I have a back injury, so to wear a bag, especially a fully packed bag over my shoulder, isn't good for me. So I wore it backpack style today, and the way that I knotted this, I actually did it like I did my Lily J bags. And I'll put the video I've done to show you how to do this down in the description below. So if you guys want to try anchoring your bag this way, that is really good. This is the same vegan leather material, and the vegan leather is pebbled, and it is nice, it's soft, it's nice quality. It didn't get any marks on it. Some vegan leather I've had in the past, it's not permanent marks, but it will get like this white dust or something on it, and I'd have to continuously wipe it down. This didn't, and it's just really lovely to touch. So wearing it backpack style today, at first when I was trying this out last night, it was a little difficult to get on and off my back because I had to adjust this all the way down. I think I have to adjust it a little bit more actually as well. It does feel very comfortable when I get it on, but it was a little hard getting it on and off. As I wore it during the day, I got used to it because it's a little different to some of the others that I try to get on and off. But on the back, it feels comfortable. It does. The way that it's shaped, it's just long enough for me and it's not super wide. So it doesn't kind of feel like you're gonna run into things with it coming out from your back. These are a little bit of a thinner strap than I'm used to, but I didn't really have much of an issue with it, surprisingly. So that was really nice. They are removable down the bottom with these D-rings, so you can take this strap off and put it on here as a messenger strap if you wanted to wear it messenger style, if you're not wanting to wear it backpack style. I put a couple of extra things in here just to show you that I didn't necessarily take today, but I wanted to show you how they do fit into this bag if you wanted to use it as a baby bag, as a nappy bag, or as a toddler bag. This bag does come in black and a nice kind of I think it's rusty red or like a rusty brown, which is really pretty too, and awesome for the autumn or the fall that's coming up in the US. So I think, I don't know if I mentioned this is a US brand. So before we get into the pockets, I just wanted to show you guys they've got their name just embossed here. Very, very nice, not overstated or anything. They do have the tassel here, which is really nice. It's the faux leather tassel, and I really do like this detail on the chain, and then it clips on here, so you can remove this if you don't want this, but I think it looks really, really pretty. So many pockets on this bag. I'll start with the front section first. So there is this nice zipper here, and this hardware is lovely. It does bend here, which I really like when zipper pulls do that. It makes it much easier to kind of move it around the zipper. And the zippers are nice and smooth. You can hear that. All right, there's no catching or anything. So in here, it's a pretty long zipper, about as long as my hand. And in here, I do have my iPhone 10. This isn't felt lined, and it does pull out, but it's a nice wipeable material in there, so you can easily take this out and dust it out or wipe it out if you had to. There's two pockets here. There's a little clip, magnetic clip here. The clip's closed, and they are very big. They're as big up to my wrist here. Again, lined with the same lining as this pocket. And in this side, I just have my small set piece of my lipstick and lip gloss. So on the side here, there are two bottle pockets, and these do magnetize shut too. So it's really nice. So if you don't want to put bottles in here, you can just clip them closed. And actually in here I have my keys. I like to put my keys on the outside of bags, and then I can just clip it closed like this. So on the other side here, I just popped in a Go Stack container that, just to show you for snacks, if you wanted to put that kind of thing on the outside, it does fit in there quite well. I didn't take this today, but I may if I was going out for more time, but it does fit really nicely, and then that magnetizer shut like that. Back here, as I said, you've got the backpack straps, or this is the messenger strap slash backpack straps. They do remove down here, and the hardware on this is quite nice as well. There is a zipper pocket back here as well, same zipper pull. And in here I just have my Baby Olay shopping tote. I like to keep that on the outside of the bag. This pocket goes like probably to about here, and it does pull out as well. I love how it pulls out, so you can easily wipe it if you need to or clean it. You have nice D-rings on the side here, so you can attach your messenger strap if you wanted to use it that way. Let's go into the inside and I will show you how that is packed up. So there are two zipper pulls here, which is nice. So you can open it on either side, and the zipper is nice and smooth, and I had no issue getting the zipper open and closed on this bag. The only thing I have to say is that I do kind of wish that it would open a little, maybe these go a little bit further, because opening it, it does open, you can get into the bag quite easily, but I guess I'm used to it opening a little bit more. Also, the inside is lined in black. It's that same wipeable material, and I mean, most handbags and stuff are lined with black anyway, so I understand that reasoning. However, I'm used to a lot of the nappy bags and things being a lighter color. It just helps to see your things in here better. I actually used an NCO Samia to organize my things in here. There are a whole bunch of other pockets, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take out the things in the middle, like the NCO Samia and my drink bottles, and then I will go over the actual internal structure with the pockets. On one side I have a large thermos bottle of the insert, and then on the other side, on the outside, I have my thermos Fontaine. Now I did want to show you how this actually does go into this bottle pocket very easily too. So if you wanted to put these on the outside, you can. I just like to have my bottles on the inside. It's just I like the look of the bag better that way. of all different bags. My NCO Samia, and you guys have seen probably loads of videos, but if you're new to my channel, I'll go over it really quick. This is a lovely insert that I use all the time. I've had forever. It's got leather accents on it, lots of pockets. And if I'm using bags that don't have a whole bunch of pockets for internal organization, I usually use this, like all my Lily J bags and things like that. On the outside here, my White Pouch 30. And then in the center, I just have a play pack, custom play pack for Jujubee, indestructible book, a small set piece with some matching cards in there just to entertain my daughter, a small Mukko Co wallet that I got yesterday that I love. I might do a review on this one. It's really, really pretty. And then there are 3 pockets along here, and I have a small set piece with my Mummy Med Kit stuff, another small set piece with my phone charger and phone cord, a Jujubee coin purse with some feminine hygiene stuff in there, hand sanitizer, and that's it. And there are the same amount of pockets on that side, another elastic pocket here. So there is a zip compartment here, right here, and nice zippers, and in here I just have a spare shirt for my daughter in case, because it was kind of hot cold today. And then in front of that there is a keychain right here that you can use if you want to put all your keys on. And then there are 2 slip pockets here, and I was able to fit a coin purse in one of them with my hair ties and hair clips and things. And then there's another one right there. So this is now the front side of the bag. So there is a tech pocket that is closed with a little faux leather tab with a little knob that it clips over on. And in here I actually have my Vanchi little grab and go mesh bag that I had my nappy needs in. So I've got Logan Lenora change pad, I had 2 size 5 nappies, and my coin purse with disposable baggies. So you can clip that down. At first I was like, oh, well, I'm used to magnetic clips, but it is kind of, I like it. It's kind of nice. It's different. And then in front of that, you've got the same little pockets that you have on the other side. So one here, and then another one here. Now I will do some maybe comparison videos with this bag with some other bags that I have. So if you want to see that, pop down in the description below which bags you'd like me to compare this to, just to kind of get an idea of size and things like that. I was thinking maybe one of the Lily J bags. So just let me know in the comments which one you would like to see this compared to. So my overall thoughts of the Mukko Co day bag, convertible day bag, is that I do really like it. It's a very classy bag. I feel like I will use this a lot if I am going to an event that I would like a really nice bag to. Plus it was really nice to use today. I like taking out fancy bags. That's just, sometimes you feel fancy, sometimes you feel funky. I like having the option to choose something that suits my mood. That's my excuse for having so many bags, right? I will put down the link for Mukko Co's website. I think they've got a really good promotion going on at the moment. So I will pop some pictures up at the end of this video. You can't take very many pictures of me wearing it because I don't have anybody to take the pictures of me because my husband's not here and my kids are at school. But you can get an idea of what it looks like in different shades of light, sunlight, and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.